Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website cdkey.com. So I'm on a home page and I checked your site before this audit on my mobile. I searched for your URL because I wanted to check how your website displays on the mobile. However, I couldn't find you in Google. Even when I searched for your exact URL, it showed some kind of sports personality. It showed the website seed key instead of seed key. So I would look, if you are a brand new website, if you have been operating for less than 3 months, you probably are still in the sandbox, which means that Google doesn't show your site in the search results, even if someone searches for your URL. So simply you don't appear in the search results. However, if you've been operating for longer than 3 months and you are not showing up in Google, I would suggest that it could be due to some kind of current Google penalty. So check your Google Search Console, Google Analytics for any alerts, because it's important to fix that. You want people to find you in Google, and you want to drive traffic from Google. Okay, moving on. Now focusing on the website audit. So your hero image is great, but there's too much text. There should be okay, one tagline and then a button. There's no need to put this extra bit of text because it displays horribly on mobile, and I'll show you how it looks when I checked on mobile. It looks like this image completely disappears underneath the text. It's just not user friendly, and it's just pointless to have so much text within the image. So you can have this tagline only within the image, but then add to actions such as shop now button linked to your collection, linked to your product to improve your conversion rate and sales. Featured collection underneath for some reason doesn't match. Well, for some reason it just doesn't match the hero image. I thought it's like some kind of support group, support shop, community shop, but you are selling, you are drop shipping some kind of tech gadget. So it just doesn't make sense to have this hero image. It looks like a teacher, and then you are showing gadgets. It just doesn't make sense. So think about building your branding. Think about building your customers' expectations. Because if people see that and then they see that, they will simply drop off because it just doesn't make sense. Okay, I do not understand the point of this element. If it's you, then add that this is about you, this is about us. Link to about us page, put your name and so on. Otherwise, it's just I don't see the how it really matches the rest of your website content. Also, the image slide, you still have got default tagline. Yeah, it's just this website is unfinished. You've got no trust signals, no about us page, no contact us page, no refund policy, no shipping policy. Yeah. Yeah, simply didn't make an effort. You spent like 10 minutes putting up this website, and you're requesting free orders. Just doesn't make sense.